Hey players, Matt Bailey here. I got my Saturday morning chores done, so why not reward myself with a little casino action? So here I am walking into Ameristar on Saturday, right around noon, a little before. And let's see what I can do here. I'm feeling Mighty Cash, I'm feeling Buffalo Gold. Let's see what else we can win on here at Ameristar. And let's go. Hey, if you like the videos, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I think you'll enjoy what I'm sharing out here. And give me a thumbs up. Hopefully I got some big wins to share with you today. Matt Bailey plays the slots. Let's go.
Okay, set down at Panda Magic, even though somebody has hit this grand very recently. As you can see, it's down to 10,000 again. But on my third spin, I got a home spin, and on nickels, I got a mini for 50 bucks. So let's see what else we can claim here on golden spin. Come on, fireballs. That's not appropriate. Fireball, there we go. Old favorite, 25. How about a minor? Drop the major, something fun. Got 125, that's better. More balls, please. 50, okay. These are nickels. These are nickels. Okay, we're filling it up. Of course, I'd love to hit the grand, even at minimum, I'll take the lowest grand you can give me. Come on, baby. Fireball. Come on. Fireball, fireball. Save me. Uh-oh, last spin, but we got a 125. We're up to 3. 3 spins remaining. Keep coming, fireballs. I put $40 in this, and we are more than double our money. Come on, fireball. Save me. Get it, get it, get it. Ooh. Well, this should be pretty decent. Got some 125s up there, which are $6.25 each. We've got the mini for $50. Cha-ching! 70, 71, 77. 81.25 is the grand total on Panda Magic. Nice win. All right. It came quick. We like that. Thank you. We'll be back. Matt Bailey plays the slots. Thank you, Panda.
Ready to rock!
Are you ready to rock? Don't ask me why I played this. Well, I've been losing downstairs, so I came up for lunch, and then I was heading back and like, I'm going to play upstairs a little bit. So I got on Kiss of all games, and I got the bonus. So let's see what happens. All the wilds over here will expand and fly over to the right. There's one. Come on. Nothing. Come on, Kiss. Wild me over here. Oh, no. Nothing. There's a little bit. Come on. And sort of block out the music. Come on, wilds. Oh, no. Nothing. Come on, give me some wilds. Oh, these games are so painful. Get them. There's one, and nothing matches up. Unbelievable. What's left? Oh, nothing. We got 2 spins. Come on, do something. Come on, Kiss. Oh, what a dud. Last spin. Finish strong. Do something. Nope, that's a loser. Wow, unbelievable. $3 bonus. That'll learn me. Better to lose downstairs than up. Alright, well, maybe I'll be back with this ridiculous game. 4 of them. Okay, it's only been 2 or 3 spins since that terrible bonus. Alright, well, now we have 12 spins because we got 4 bonus symbols. And come on, baby. Wilds over here. Get them. There's one. Nothing with it, though. Come on. Wow, wow, wow. Come on, Kiss. You can do it. $1 bet. There's a wild. There's 2. Come on. Nothing. Oh, my God. Unbelievable. Retrigger. Come on, retrigger. Give me a bonus symbol. Kiss. Oh, win on by. Come back. Oh, terrible. Come on. Where are the wilds? There's one, but it's way to the right. Trying to get him over here. Wilds. There's one. Land it. We finally won something. You get 12 spins, you think you might land something. Come on. Nothing. 3 spins left. Boy, it keeps putting a bonus symbol up there. It's terrible. Re-trigger? Nope. Come on, Wilds. Land them. Oh, they're always on the right. Come on, wild. Nope. There's another one on the right. Nothing. Last spin. Finish strong. Do something. There's one in the middle. And nothing matches up. Kings. Another crappy bonus, this time with 12 spins, and we got $7.90. This game is a joke. So I'm going to keep playing it. I'll be back. Lightning Link. I'm upstairs today at Ameristar. I rarely play up here, but managed to get on the Lightning Links that are up here, and I got the bonus on Dragon's Riches, I think this is what this is called. And look at that, ring-a-dink. We're actually in the free game bonus right now. Nickel denomination, sorry, $1.25 bet. Here we go. I put $80 in this game. Oh, I don't think I want those coins. I want dragons. Right, the coins just block you. Come on, give me all the dragons. Come on, full screen dragons. Oh, darn it. Oh, no. One more coin? Oh, no. Come on, get the coins out of there. Get the dragons. Oh, not a dang thing. Look at that, $2.80 bonus. Ugh. Story of my life. Okay, after the very terrible bonus on Dragon's Riches, I've got the hold and spin on a $2.50 nickel denomination bet. So these are nickels. And going for that grand, 16,000, almost 17,000 in the grand. It's way up there. Come on, coins. Let's get some big numbers. Come on, coins. There's one. $2.50 bet on nickels. Oh no, come on. No wonder the grand's so high. Come on, big ball. Get it. Oh no, last spin. Only gonna get one coin? You gotta give me more coins. Come on, baby. Give me a coin. Come on. Got it. Staying alive. Come on, big coins. Big number. Come on. Minor? I can't not remember the last minor I had. Come on, baby. Land it. 2 spins remaining. Come on, give me a coin. Let's fill it up. Come on. Uh-oh. Last spin. Come on. Give me a coin. Come on, coin. Get it. Get it. Get it. We got something. 50. We'll take it. 3 more spins. Yes. $25. $25 for that one. Good one. Come on. More coins. Come on. Keep filling it. Yes. All right. Only 2 spots left. Give me a coin. Ba, 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 ba. Come on, coin. Come on, coin. Last spin. Last spin, kitty. Come on. Land a coin. Yeah, okay. This is pretty good, though. Total it up. Ring-a-ding-a-ching-a-ling. $85 on Dragon's Riches on the Hold and Spin feature. So we are now ahead officially. Maybe I should play more upstairs. I don't play upstairs very much. It's all mostly old games, but doing better up here than I've been doing downstairs. $85 win. I put in an $80 ticket, so we're ahead. And hopefully I'll be back on Dragon's Riches. Lightning Link. Lightning Link. Still on Dragon's Riches, I switched it over to dime denomination and backdoor snuck in the hold and spin feature. So these are dimes, and let's get a bunch more. Come on, fill it up. Yeah, oh, $250, ring-a-ding. We have a big win bonus just like that. Dragon's Riches, wow. Came out of nowhere. All right, let's not finish with that. Why don't you bring another one? Come on, fill it. Yes. alive. 250. All right. You throw a miner up there. I'll take that. Throw that miner. Come on, coin. All right. 3 spins left. Okay. Filling it up. Come on, baby. Come on. Big number. Uh-oh. Last spin. Last spin, Dragon's Riches. Come on. Need more riches. Get it. Oh, but that is nice. Total it up. La 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 la. And the big win feature. Cha-ching. Thank you, dimes. I switched at the right time. $312.50. That's a big win bonus. Dragon's Riches, Lightning Link, upstairs at the Ameristar.